Is your BMW key fob not working reliably? A dead or weak battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Most BMW key fobs use a CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery. This is the standard type you'll find across most models. To confirm the battery type for your specific fob, check your owner's manual or simply open the fob to inspect the current battery. For reliable performance, choose premium brands like Panasonic or Energizer. These ensure proper voltage and longevity. Beware of counterfeit batteries, which can cause malfunctions or damage. Consumer Reports has highlighted this issue in their 2025 surveys. You'll typically need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the fob. Some models may have a hidden screw, requiring a precision screwdriver. Wearing gloves is recommended to prevent static and fingerprints on the internal components. The first step is to carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam of the fob casing. Next, gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. For models like the 28 Plus X5, check for a hidden screw first before prying. Finally, avoid excessive force to prevent damage to the circuit board. With the key fob opened, locate the CR2032 battery inside. It's typically secured by a small metal clip to hold it in place. Use a fingernail or small tool to gently pop the old battery out of its clip. Before removing it, note the orientation. The positive side should be facing up. Take the new CR2032 battery and insert it in the same orientation, with the positive side facing up. Ensure it snaps into the clip securely. This correct orientation ensures the battery makes proper contact and prevents damage to the fob's electronics. Carefully snap the fob casing back together, ensuring a secure fit. Test the key fob's functions, such as lock-unlock, from a distance of 10 to 20 feet. If it doesn't work, try the resync process described in the next section. If you are still having issues, make sure the battery is properly seated and the battery terminals are making sufficient contact. Some BMW models may require resyncing the key fob after battery replacement. This is common if the vehicle's system loses connection during the swap. Start with the manual method by inserting the key into the ignition and turning it to the on position without starting the engine. If that doesn't work, use the iDrive system to repair the key. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, then Key Memory, and follow the prompts. Comfort access fobs often need extra attention during this process, with reprogramming issues occurring in about 25% of cases, according to recent data. The automotive industry is shifting toward battery-independent key systems to improve convenience and sustainability. Newer BMW models, such as the iX and 7 series, now incorporate ultra-wideband technology or kinetic energy harvesting, which can generate power from movement and reduce the need for traditional batteries. Additionally, smartphone-based keys using Digital Key Plus via NFC are becoming more widespread, allowing you to unlock and start your BMW with just your phone. This digital approach offers greater flexibility and eliminates the need for physical key fobs altogether. Although DIY battery replacement will continue for older legacy models, the future promises even more advanced, high-tech key solutions that prioritize ease and innovation.